Om Shri Ganesha Namaha. Har Har Mahadev. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Shravan Month Mahatmya, Chapter 14. Significance of Nag Panchami Fast. God said, O great sage, now I will tell you about the fasts that are worth observing in Shravan month. Please listen to them carefully. Eat once on Chaturthi and eat at night on Panchami. Make a beautiful 5-headed snake out of gold, silver, wood or clay and worship that snake with devotion on Panchami. Make big snakes out of cow dung on both sides of the door and worship them with curd, auspicious durva grass, oleander, malti, jasmine, champa flowers, fragrances, rice grains, incense sticks, and beautiful lamps. After that, feed ghee, modak, and kheer to Brahmins. After this, write the names of Anant, Vasuki, Shesh, Padmanabh, Kambal, Karkotak, Ashwa, 8th Dhritarashtra, Shankpal, Kalya, and Takshak, the rulers of all these Naga clan, and their mother Kadru, on the wall with turmeric and sandalwood, and worship them with flowers, etc. After that, the wise person should worship the snakes on the left side and feed them milk. Offer them milk mixed with ghee and sugar. On that day, one should not make puris, etc. in iron vessels. Offer wheat flour with devotion for Naivedya. Roasted gram, rice flakes and barley should be offered to the snakes and should be consumed by oneself as well. Children should also be fed the same as this strengthens their teeth. Women adorned with makeup should sing and play instruments near the snake's nest and celebrate this day like a festival. One should never fear snakes if one observes fast in this manner. O Brahmin, I will tell you something more with the desire of the welfare of the people. O great sage, you listen to it. O son, a man bitten by a snake goes to a lower state after death, and after reaching the lower state he becomes a Tamsi snake. For its removal, perform all the rituals like one meal, etc. as per the above mentioned method and get the Brahmins to make the snake and do its worship, etc. with respect. In this way, perform this fast on the 5th day of Shukla Pakshan every month of 12 months, and on completion of the year feed Brahmins and Sannyasis for the snakes. Give a jeweled golden snake and a cow with a calf to a Brahmin who knows the Puranas, while remembering the omnipresent, all-pervading, all-providing Ananta Narayan. One should say, O Govind, if any person in my family has fallen due to snake bite, may he be freed by the fast and donation done by me. After saying this, pour water mixed with rice grains and white sandalwood in the water with devotion in front of Vasudev. O great sage, by observing this fast in this manner, all those in his family who will die in future due to snake bite or have died in the past will attain heaven. Also, a son, O son of the family, the one who observes this fast in this manner liberates all his descendants and attains the proximity of Shiva while being served by Apsaras. The person who is free from financial problems, only he gets the full benefit of this fast. Those who observe night fast on all Panchami dates of Shukla Paksh and worship the fortunate snakes with flowers, etc. with devotion in their houses, the snakes with their bodies decorated with the rays of gems give them protection and are pleased with them. Those Brahmins who accept home donation, they also suffer severe torture and finally attain the snake's birth. O best of sages, whoever has lost their children in this world due to killing a snake or who is childless, and whoever is born as a snake due to cowardice towards women. Some people keep a deposit and accept it themselves or become a snake due to false speech or who are born as a snake due to any other reason. This is the best remedy for atonement for all of them. If a person observes the fast of Nag Panchami without any financial problems, then for his welfare, the rulers of all the snakes, Sheshnag and Vasuki, pray to Lord Hari and Sadashiv with folded hands. Then, pleased with the prayers of Shesh and Vasuki, Lord Shiva and Vishnu fulfill all the wishes of that person. He enjoys many types of abundant pleasures in Naglok and later goes to Uttam Vaikuntha or Kailash and attains ultimate happiness by becoming a Gan of Shiva and Vishnu. O son, I have described this Panchami fast of the snakes to you. After this, tell me which other fast you want to hear. Thus, in the Sri Skanda Puran, in the dialogue between God and Sanat Kumar in the significance of the Shravan month, the 14th chapter called Nag Panchami Vrat Katha is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Om Namah Shivaya.